Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to install Ultratastic.dll and fix the game guard issue which makes you crash every 3 minutes, which will include using the X1 Inject program that comes with the hack and injecting ggfox.dll into gameon.des. First of all, open up your browser. I prefer Mozilla Foxfire because most other browsers do not let you access the Mirage of Penguin's premium control panel. Log into your premium control panel. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now go to IJJI Gunsack's Ultratastic.dll. Now press download Ultrastatic and go to regular download and then download at the bottom of that. You have to use WinRAR. If you do not have WinRAR, go to rarlab.com and now open the file with WinRAR. Once opened, you will see d3d9.dll and foo.dll. Go to computer, then C drive, then IJJI, English, and then proceed to guns. Move your d3, d9.dll and foo.dll to your guns folder. And I prefer, and you will not get this error, only I did, because I am the one who's putting them in the folder that already has them. I also prefer doing this. Put the injector and ggfox.dll in the English folder behind the guns folder. Makes it a lot more convenient. Since I already have them there, I'm not going to put them there again, of course. Now go back to mirageofpenguins.com. At the top you will see Guns, Launcher, No Reactor. Download that, and then you'll be brought to a new page to download Launch Guns and save the file. Once it is done downloading, I will then proceed to move it to my desktop after opening containing folder. I will just drag it. I also think that makes it a lot more easier. You do not have to do that if you do not wish. Now you can close out the browser. And now open Launch Guns. Just hit run. Then proceed to enter your IJJI username and password. Once you have done so, press Proceed Login. Process Login. This would say Authenticated True and Connected True. Then bring up your injector. As you can see, I have a shortcut on my desktop from the English folder. And now you have to type gameon.des exactly how I typed it. Capital G for game, capital M for mon, .des. Set your how to inject to manually and uncheck quit when finished. Then go to browse and locate your ggfox.dll in the folder you put it. And once you have all that done, press Launch Guns. And after you press that, a browser will come up with the mirageofpenguins.com. Close that out, and then the Game Guard splash screen will come up with a box in the middle and a box in the top left hand corner updating it and authenticating it. Once that little box in the top left hand corner goes away, press Inject. Now for me, sometimes the box doesn't go away, so I press Inject right away again, so that's twice, and then it goes away. Now you will get this screen after you injected it. It will say Ultratastic.dll status disabled. You will not be able to enable that until you verify your Mirage of Penguins account. It has to be linked to your DJI account from the premium control panel, which you can only change every 48 hours. Now, once the server screen comes up, I will then hit the home button and it will verify my Mirage of Penguin account. The loading has now finished. I will now hit home. As you can see, it gives you numbers and then AL/temp. For some of you, it will be local/temp. Then you can connect to your server. Log into your character. Go into a room, activate your .dll, and a menu will appear. You hit the N key. A menu comes up, then you hit the escape key. And now I will be using God mode, anti-kick, and I'm gonna try room rape. It may not work and it may work. Actually, I'm going to turn off anti-kick because the combination will actually DC you. Here it is. I'm going to press this button, and if I DC, which means my client crashes, then it will be the end of the tutorial. That is the end of my tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment on my video if you liked it. Thank you.